Welcome everybody. Let's get started. 10-minute gentle cardio, low impact workout. We're just walking right now at home, walking workout. I love cardio days. I'm going to ramp it up a little bit today. You modify, do what's best for you. Just try to keep it moving for the entire 10 minutes. If you need a break, just come back to a nice light walk. Just little bits of movement goes a long way. Every extra step we can add today is going to benefit our health. Trying to build strong, healthy hearts. Just going to get warmed up. We're into week 2 here. We are building an incredible amount of consistency and discipline. That's going to transfer to all areas of our life. Okay, let's just a little side jack, excuse me. I've done this move a million times. English is only my first language. What can you expect? Progress, not perfection, right? We all got a long way to go. I certainly do. Oh, I'm already feeling good today. Endorphins flowing very quickly into this workout. Happy days. Again, remember, you just go at your pace. No comparison. Find your edge. See if you can't go a little beyond, or if it's just an easy day for you, just go easy. But I'm feeling pretty good. My minor injuries, feeling pretty good today. Yeah, I want to use this body. All right. Ooh, shake that out. Shake, shake, shake. A little bit of a power march. Military. Let's get the arms, get the leg up as high as you can. Really engage the core here. Getting our steps in, building strength, core stability. Engage. Find a nice rhythm. Head up high. Oh yeah. The only thought is I am strong. I am enough. Yeah. I guess that's 2 thoughts, eh? Connect the breath to the movement. Real mindful. Couple more. All right. It's just a little bounce laterally. We're gonna arms. Let's build some strength in the shoulders. Getting the heart rate up. We can build some strength at the same time. Pump, pump, pump. Just a little. Yeah. Can you feel it in your arms? I know I can. One more and back. All right. We got the lateral movement. Brilliant. So I want to just a side step, a little bit of a hop coming down into a squat. Okay? You can be here by all means. What a lovely move. I just feel going a little quicker. Be real playful with this move. How would a child move? End of a long day yesterday. Finally time to maybe relax and rest for a bit. And my 6-year-old is jumping over couches right up until bedtime. Where does that energy come from? Why can't we be more childlike? Yeah, just play. Just absorb. Couple more. Well, maybe a few more. Yeah. Just breathe. Let's just walk. Let's take our walk a little bit more brisk. Here we go. Heart rate's up. Yeah. Use your arms. We're walking, we're moving laterally too. We're getting those steps in, building strength and mobility at the same time. Come on. How good is this? Get done the workout. Comment. Job done. Walking is great. More people we can bring into our community. Promote just being physically active so that we can be our happiest, healthy selves. Oh, yeah. Okay. Step and reach out. Tap the toe. I'm going to go at a nice pace. You do you. Feel that strength in the arms, in the back, while we get our steps in. I'm going a little quicker. Slow it down if you need to. Take a break if you have to. If you do need a rest, if you can take a real active, just slow walking rest, brilliant. Couple more. And shake. Let's just keep moving the lower body. Hug. Keep your arms up high. Oh, yeah. Range of motion, mobility. Shake it out. Here we go. Knee lifts. No arms for a moment. So you gotta use your core. As high as you can. And let's go. Real core stability. Building balance as well. We can do it all in 10 minutes. Evening walk possibly tonight. Get out there. Get a few more steps in today. All right. Let's get the arms in. And drive that knee a little further up. Drive it up. Drive. And last one. Good. Right into it. Kick and reach. See if you can't kick your hand. Okay, we could be here. Great. Just sink arm and leg together, wherever you're at. You can get up just a little bit higher. Why not? I love to move. I love it. I'm grateful to be able to kick my leg up. Isn't that enough? Grateful I woke up this morning. I was able to see. How awesome is that? My heart was beating. I could take a deep breath. Hallelujah. Be grateful for those things we already have. Whew. We have so much. Couple more. Yes. Yes. Those last couple, I could feel it. That's for sure. Okay. We're going to walk. This is our moment of mindfulness, meditation. Bring all your focus, all your attention into the swinging of your arms. Every time your mind wanders, just bring it back and feel the sensation of your arms moving. Feel a little bit of a breeze against your arms. Really notice. It becomes incredible. We really pay attention to this seemingly simple and ordinary movement. It actually is extraordinary that we can move our arms like this. You can close your eyes for a second. Just notice the sensations in your hands and your arms. That's a lot of movement in 10 minutes. Well done. I hope you're feeling as good as I am. Go have the most amazing day. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow. God bless.